Hey everybody, gonna make a quick video here that maybe one or two people will appreciate. This may be a question you have here. So you have this 22 conversion for your AR-15 and you're pretty satisfied with it, but one day you think to yourself, I want a little bit better accuracy or more better reliability, or less blowback, or less just an overall better experience. So you can do that by getting a 22 LR dedicated barrel for your AR-15. But some changes have to be made. For example, here's just a regular end of an AR-15 barrel. Here's the CMMG kit, same as the Spikes Tactical and some other ones. And the way it works is this part goes in here and that fits in there. So right there, it picks up the new round, pushes it in there and fires, or once you pull the trigger. But with a dedicated 22 barrel, you can see this, but pull this a little bit forward here. It doesn't look like this. This is a female end. That's a male end. So what has to happen is this part needs to be removed, because you can't go to male to male. Well, at least not in the gun world, you can't go to male to male. So you need to go get one of these guys right here. And he's a little dirty, because I've been using them. So this replaces this. And it's pretty easy to do. Let me just set it down. Kind of just separate these. Kind of do a little push. Pops it out. Grab the new one, make sure it's in the right direction. It's in there. Just do a quick little function test. There you go. Like I said, female to female is not going to work, but it will slide in easily in this male. So now there we go. One more thing, guys, while I have y'all here. These are my other bolt carrier groups. This one right here is a full auto bolt carrier group, just because it has all that nice and big right there. And that one's smaller for the semi-auto. And I've seen some forums where people mistakenly believe that if you have a full auto bolt carrier, you're committing a crime. That is completely false. This just allows you to use full auto parts if you have them. This does not constitute a breach in law here. So you can have as many of these as you want. Don't stress about that. But there you go. One more time. Not a lot of differences. Sometimes there's a difference between the ramp, but at least not in mine, there's not. See, the same right there. That's it, guys. Appreciate you watching.